Before the advent of internet, there used to be a mechanism of how to send an email without the internet. Actually, you could send even documents to the other person without necessarily having any internet. So today, I want to show you exactly how we used to do it and how it can be done even today. How you can send an email or even a document without necessarily having to have internet. This is Joseph from Self Graphics. Welcome to my channel. Today, I want to show you that machine that used to do that job, and we are going to use it together.
Ladies and gentlemen,
the machine I'm talking about here used to be called a fax machine, and this is the machine that I have here that I want to do a quite quick review of how we could send a email or even a document without necessarily having to have internet. So let me show you this machine, how it used to work. So the machine I'm talking about here, it is this fax machine. This one particularly, this used to be a very popular machine, which is still today is still in working condition. You can see it's working, and it used to be also a telephone machine. So the machine used to actually work from using a telephone line, which is not having now today a telephone line, and the machine you could be able to send a document to the person on the other side who would receive his document with a similar machine and is going to was able to get the document originally as it was. So this is how the machine used to work. This is where you used to put the document. When you wanted to send the document, say this is the document I want to send to the person on the other side, you used to come and put the document here. Immediately the machine you could click to accept the document on the other side. Now you could just take off the phone to dial, or you could use the auto dial. Then you dial the number of that person. Once you have dialed the number, you used to put the machine on, and once that the line has connected on the other side, and it had to give you a beeping sound of a fax machine on the other side, then you would say set. And once you press set, the document would immediately go through this machine. The machine would scan the document, and once it has scanned the document, the same document message would be printed on the other side of the machine, on the side the person you have been sending to. So now I'm not connected on the line, but I want to show you how this would be. The machine would do that by just doing a self copy. When you also wanted to do a copy of the machine of the document, you just press this button. Now it's not giving that beep because I believe I don't have a paper, because you used to have a paper on this machine. Oh, I have a paper. Okay, fortunately I have paper, a small piece of paper left, which used to be a thermal paper, and this is the paper. So let me put it correctly and try to see how we are going to do that. So you insert the document and press copy. Okay, standard, copy. It is trying to get a connection. If you check here, there's writing connecting, but because I don't have a telephone line at the moment, it is not accepting my command. But basically this would go through the machine, down, coming through this side. And after it comes through this side, they would have scanned the whole document, and then the other person on the other side would get the print, or even if I was doing a self print, I would get a copy on this. So that's how you could scan the document using the machine. So that's basically a demonstration on that. Then, as I showed you earlier, you maybe you don't see clearly where this is where the machine. We used to buy this. We used to put this roll. It's called a thermal paper. Thermal paper is the paper that would be able to be printed on once the document came from the other side of the fax machine. So this is, you used to leave your machine with the paper well inserted inside, so that even if people send the fax overnight, you'd find your documents already printed, and you get the roll there down there, so that you can be able to read what they have sent you. So and what, having put the paper here, that's now where you used to put the paper. So basically, this used to be a very simple machine of how you would send your documents. You would send any document to be read on the other side through a machine. So this was before the advent of the email. So when the emails came and other gadgets like WhatsApp, the Snapchat, and the others, this machine became obsolete. So nobody uses it. Now this one is mine, looks new and it's still working. But what I don't have is a telephone line, which used to be connected through here. This is why I used to connect the telephone line. You would put the line in, and this one you could put also an extension of the line. Maybe if you want another telephone line that you wanted to hand to the machine. So basically that's how the machine was. So you can see we have come from far. Within a span of very few years, so many gadgets have been obsolete just because now we have the internet, which is doing almost everything. We can send our emails, we can send our documents, we can do our scan on the computer. This was when the computers were not there. This was what I used to have to do our scan, to do our basic photocopying kind of machine. So this is the end of this session. I hope you have understood exactly how life has changed within a very short